YouTube, go ahead and copyright claim me. I'm never gonna make money on these videos anyway. Go ahead and demonetize me. I'll even sing some of the song for you. So this is just a big hunk of wood for a mantle. Lots of epoxy. I spent probably 15 days putting epoxy on this thing. Epoxy is an interesting beast. It'll just go into the crack and you come out the next day and you gotta put more in. And it takes 72 hours to dry and it's fun. But anyway, there's the mantle. Here's some of the bar. As you might know, cabinets are basically a big giant puzzle that I make all the pieces for. So now I'm starting to put it all together, finish it. Ooh, get that shiny finish. Is all I do. All I wanna do is make love to you. Copyright that. Man. They act like I'm gonna make money and steal income or revenue from them.